everybody, I'm Paul Gross. Let's get you updated on the forecast. And hey, since spring begins tomorrow at 12:15 in the afternoon, thought I'd give you NOAA's 90-day outlook. This is now for April through June. Looks like we have a pretty good chance of being warmer than average for temperatures here over the next 3 months. So we've gotten off to a slow start, but we're going to make up for lost time. But it also looks like we're going to be a little bit on the wetter side as well. But that's not all bad news. The farmers need some of that soil moisture because they plant the seeds that grow into things that we eat. So not all bad here, especially the warmer part. But look at this longer term trend. If we go all the way back to 1970, you see a very marked increase in temperature of our springs. These are the average temperatures of spring here as you go all the way from 1970 to the present. Now these jagged lines here, those are the individual actual springs. Then you kind of fit a line to it. You see the trend. We are 3.3 degrees warmer on average for spring than we were back about 47 years ago. So springs are getting warmer. It's just sometimes they take a little longer to get started than sometimes we'd all like. All right, here we are high and dry and quiet with the computer model. We have a pretty good dynamic storm to our south that is going to move east and stay to our south. And that's good news for two reasons. One, down in this warm sector, a very significant severe weather outbreak is possible tonight. So we're going to watch that. And also watch what happens in the colder air here. You see this rain starting to change to snow here, and it's not done. When this thing gets to the east coast, look at this. This could become, if it stays close enough to the coast, this could become the fourth nor'easter in the past 3 weeks for New England with a heavy stripe of snow here. But again, a little further east, they don't get much. Little further west, and they get pounded again. And meanwhile, for us, we're just watching high pressure, and you almost feel guilty seeing all the trouble they have. And, well, no, we don't feel guilty. We'll take the quiet weather. All right, so for tonight, maybe some high, thin cirrus clouds, but a quiet night, 23 degrees the low, and it is, though, going to become breezy as we get past midnight and toward morning. So if you're an early morning jogger, just know it's going to be in the 20s, and it's going to be kind of windy. So tomorrow, rising up to near 40 degrees away from the big lakes. Now, if you're downwind from Lake Huron or Lake Erie, you're going to be only in the 30s for highs tomorrow, and it's still going to be a breezy day. So staying below average temperature-wise, that continues through the end of the week, the below average temperatures, but also so does the dry weather. Look at this. We stay dry right now, it looks like all the way through the upcoming weekend.